Aquaculture in the Northwest Arm is a necessity to the livelihoods of people in the area. As a local and employee, it is what not only helps pay the bills of its employees, but it also feeds the population without decreasing wild fish population numbers. NOAA Fisheries explains how aquaculture farms are outlooked to increase with demands, and this will profit in the long run. NOAA Fisheries also says that aquaculture is one of the most environmentally sustainable methods of farming by saying, marine aquaculture operations typically have a smaller carbon footprint and require less land and fresh water. They are more efficient at converting feed into protein for human consumption than beef, pork, and poultry. The expansion of sustainable aquaculture is vital to increasing food production in a changing environment. With the ability to legally farm marine animals in this area, this also means, as a part of the licensing, that polluting on the farmer's part cannot occur. This shows that by farming the animals, this will produce little to no pollution. It will not harm wild fish populations, and it will not take any food sources away from the local animals. Culture will bring a stronger food source to the people in the area as well as provide income for its employees. According to NOAA Fisheries, this method of production can increase economic growth and is worth about $1.5 billion. And even after the job of farming itself, it can also create jobs in fish processing for food, as well as creating jobs for people to create the fish tanks and other necessities like fish food. This presentation was from the eyes of an aquaculture employee, and included on this slide is everything said in the presentation as well as my citations.